Hello viewers, welcome to Anisa's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. In this video, I will show you how you generate your business logo on Wix. Wix is very popular for website development, but it also facilitates you to create your brand logos. Type business name generator, or you may type Wix in your Google Chrome, scroll down and click on Free Business Name Generator and Brand Name Ideas. You can also click the link in the description to open the site. Click on Get Started and sign up with your Google account. Type logo designing in search bar and enter. Write your brand name. I am writing Lumica, which will be my brand name. Then write your category. My category is related to skincare products. Then I will write a short description that describes my brand. If you want to add below detail, you can add, but here I click on Create Logo. Click on Leave and then Get Started. Write category of your business and then click Next. Select your vibe. Write text that you want to display on your logo and then write your logo. Here your logo. You can download it as it is, or you can choose other options, or you can customize it. To change color, follow the steps. To change the shape on logo, click on it and search your desired shape and then replace it. You can also change the color of shape of your logo. Now we are changing the font style of our text. Now, if you are done with your editing, you can download it by purchasing the paid plan of Wix.